गाइस, अलादीन गरीब हो गया। गरीब अलादीन। गाइस, अलादीन गरीब हो गया। गरीब अलादीन। मोटिवेट मी। और अगर आपको आगे और YouTube वीडियोस देखने हैं और क्या देखना है ऑफ कोर्स, वो आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए। Pretty excited about this YouTube channel. I'm gonna post, like I will try to post as much as I can. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंटेंट I'll make and post. लेकिन आप लोगों को क्या देखना है, दैट ऑफ कोर्स मैटर्स। तो जो भी आपको देखना है वो मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए। आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, एनी चेंजेस यू वांट, या जो भी है, डू कमेंट एंड डू सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज दैट विल बी द ओनली मोटिवेशन फॉर मी। या मैंने बहुत सारा बोल दिया यार एक साथ बट आई एम सो हैप्पी। थैंक यू सो मच एंड या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द लवली विशेस। ओ माई गॉड, I went through all the not all the of course, because like I went through so many of VMs and photo edits and the messages. They are just so nice, so good. I just felt so good, so heartwarming, you know. I really love them. Thank you guys, thank you so much for itna sara pyar. I love you and just love you. I don't know what else to say. I'm just so happy, and with all the love I receive from you guys, that unconditional love from you, it is just, I can't express how I feel about that. You guys just love me so much, and I don't know what else to say. Just love you. You guys really make me emotional at so many moments. Okay. So let me read few of the questions. मैं जब से आई हूँ मैं अपना बोले जा रही हूँ. I did not read anything. So is the connection fine? Is the connection fine, guys? What will be my next project as Aladdin is going off air? Yeah, that's a very sad news that Aladdin is going off air, but I'm actually happy with the fact that I could be part of Aladdin for at least these 6 months. I learned so much और मुझे मेरा एक बहुत ही अच्छा करियर पीरियड मैंने अलादीन के साथ बिताया. वेरी सैड कि वो ऑफ एयर हो रहा है शो, बट ठीक है. इट्स गुड टू एंड द थिंग्स व्हेन स्टोरी एंड्स. तो that's it. It's going to end next month. But ठीक है, something I really wish something nice comes soon. Let me take someone. Is there anybody? I'm not able to click, yeah, sorry. I don't know what's happening. sent request to 2 people. Let's see if they join us. Thank you Vivek. Thank you Mukku. Thank you Anuja. Okay, is my connection all right, guys? I don't know. My phone number 1 to 9 के बीच में there are few numbers. उनमें से कुछ मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है, जिस मिला जुला के बना लो. I am trying to add people. I'm not able to. I have no clue why. Unable to join. Unable to join. Not able to join people here. I'm so sorry guys. I'm really trying to. Sanju Shehra. शिवांगी ऑनलाइन क्यों नहीं रहती? ऑनलाइन ही तो हूँ. थैंक यू यालू. See, now I'm waiting for Sanju Shehra 2009 to join the live. I don't know why it's not happening. Add Siddharth. Siddharth must be busy. He's not watching my live, I guess. Otherwise, I would have joined him. Bhagyashree. I don't know. Boxer Sonia, I don't know whether even दिनों की बात है season 2 coming or not. I'm sorry, you guys always ask me this, and this time I forgot to clarify this in the initial stage, like the initially in my life. I don't know anything about even दिनों की बात है season 2. Sorry. You too say thank you. Your vlog was superb. Thank you so much. Ashi Singh forever. Alvira Khan. Okay, you go and produce the album and we'll do it for sure. Why? View request. Whole live recorded. Just not happening. I don't know. I'm actually trying to add people here, but. And Bhagyashree Patil not able to join. Hi, fan from Tamil Nadu. Thank you, Sushi. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ पर मैं किसी को ऐड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. I'm sorry. चलो let's just give answers of your questions. Why is Aladdin going off air? I guess we don't have story. I mean अभी जफ़र को मारने के बाद कोई स्टोरी बचेगी नहीं. So it's good to end things when you don't have story rather than stretching them. Yes. Hi Pallavi. Hi मेरी बहन पल्लवी. I'm love from Kerala. Rebecca. I'm so sorry, Anika Goyal. I'm trying to take people live with me, but I'm not able to. What is relationship between you and Siddharth? We are friends, good friends. Which character do you like more, Naina or Yasmin? Difficult choice, guys. नैना और यास्मीन, आई लाइक बोथ दी कैरेक्टर्स क्योंकि वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हैं. आई कांट चूज वन क्योंकि दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग थे. नैना एंड यास्मीन लाइक ऐसे हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से एकदम ऑपोजिट ऑफ ईच अदर. आई कांट चूज, सॉरी. मेरा फेवरेट कलर ब्लू है. ओके सरीन, थैंक यू. कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को इसलिए मारा क्योंकि राजमाता ने बोला था. शिव, दिस वाज फॉर यू. यू शुड वॉच सेकंड बाहुबली 2.